Do your legs ever feel heavy, tired, or achy, especially after a short walk? Do you sometimes notice cold feet, numb toes, or even painful leg cramps at night? If so, you are not alone. Millions of older adults experience poor circulation in their legs, often caused by narrowing arteries. And while doctors may quickly prescribe pills or suggest surgery, nature has given us something far more gentle and surprisingly powerful today. We'll reveal the number one drink backed by science that can help clear clogged leg arteries, improve blood flow, and bring life back to your circulation. So, grab a cup of tea or maybe the drink we'll be talking about and let's dive in. Poor leg circulation is more than just an inconvenience, it's a warning sign. When blood struggles to flow down to your legs, it means your arteries may be stiff, narrowed, or blocked by cholesterol and plaque. This condition, known as peripheral artery disease (PAD), can raise the risk of heart attack, stroke, and even amputations if ignored. But here's the hopeful part. Studies now show that certain natural drinks rich in antioxidants, nitrates, and anti-inflammatory compounds can help arteries relax, reduce plaque buildup, and restore healthy circulation. And among all of them, one drink stands above the rest. It's not coffee, it's not soda, and it's definitely not energy drinks. I'll reveal this circulation-boosting drink in just a moment, and I'll explain exactly how it works inside your body. But first, let's set the stage by understanding what's really happening in your arteries as you age. Segment 1. Why seniors struggle with poor leg circulation as we age. Our arteries naturally lose flexibility. Think of them like rubber bands when you're young, they stretch easily. But with age, they stiffen, crack, and gather deposits of fat and calcium. This process, called atherosclerosis, is the number one reason older adults experience leg cramps when walking, also called claudication, cold feet and toes, slow healing wounds on the legs, tingling or numbness. It's your body's way of saying blood isn't moving like it should. Now here's the key. Arteries aren't just passive pipes. They're lined with a thin, magical layer called the endothelium. This layer produces nitric oxide, a molecule that tells your arteries to relax and open wide, letting blood flow smoothly. The problem: after age 50 or 60, the endothelium gets weaker, nitric oxide production drops. And when that happens, blood vessels stay tight, cholesterol sticks more easily, and blockages form faster. So the secret to clearing arteries naturally isn't just about avoiding cholesterol, it's about reviving your nitric oxide levels and protecting the endothelium, and that's exactly where today's number one circulation drink comes in. Segment 2. The number one drink to clear arteries and boost circulation. So, what is this powerful drink? It's not a supplement. It's not an expensive powder. It's something you can find in almost any grocery store. Beetroot juice. Yes, that humble red root, when juiced, becomes one of the most powerful natural artery cleansers available to seniors. How juice works in your body: beets are loaded with natural nitrates, not the artificial kind used in processed meats, but plant nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide. Remember nitric oxide? That's the molecule your arteries desperately need to relax, widen, and let blood flow freely. Here's what happens step by step. You drink beet juice. Your body converts those nitrates into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide signals your arteries to open wider. Blood flows more smoothly, carrying oxygen to your legs, heart, and brain. Over time, this reduces artery stiffness and lowers blood pressure. Several studies confirm this. A 2015 study in hypertension found that daily beetroot juice significantly lowered blood pressure in older adults. Another study showed that beet juice increased walking distance in people with peripheral artery disease. In other words, beet juice doesn't just make you feel better, it actually helps restore circulation at the root cause. How seniors can add beet juice to their routine? No. Let's get practical. How much beet juice should you drink and when? Daily dose. Most studies use about 1 cup to 150 milliliters of beetroot juice per day. Best time, morning is ideal since it boosts circulation for the whole day. Fresh versus bottled. Fresh beet juice is best, but if juicing feels like too much work, look for unsweetened bottled beetroot juice with no additives. Pro tip: if the earthy taste feels too strong, you can blend beet juice with carrot, apple, or a squeeze of lemon. This makes it sweeter and adds even more antioxidants. Segment 3. Supporting drinks that work alongside beet juice. No. While beet juice is the star of today's video, it doesn't work alone. Your arteries thrive when you give them a team of circulation-friendly drinks. Let's look at a few that seniors can easily add to their daily routine. Point 1. Pomegranate juice. The antioxidant shield. Pomegranates are bursting with antioxidants called polyphenols, which do something remarkable. They protect your arteries from oxidative stress, the rusting effect that damages vessel walls and triggers plaque buildup. In fact, a study in clinical nutrition found that pomegranate juice actually reduced plaque thickness in the carotid arteries after just 1 year of regular drinking. How to use: just 1/2 cup per day is enough, but make sure it's 100% pure pomegranate juice, no added sugars or blends. 2. Green tea. Nature's artery relaxer. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, which improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. It also helps lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that sticks to your arteries. Several large studies from Japan where green tea drinking is a daily habit showed that seniors who drink 2 to 3 cups daily have a significantly lower risk of heart disease and stroke. How to use: brew it fresh, steep for 2 to 3 minutes, and drink without sugar. For sensitive stomachs, enjoy it after meals. 3. Cocoa or dark hot chocolate. Yes, really. Believe it or not, pure cocoa is rich in flavonols, which increase nitric oxide just like beets do. This helps arteries relax and improves blood flow to the legs, heart, and even the brain. One Harvard study found that seniors who drank flavanol-rich cocoa twice a day had better blood vessel function in just 2 weeks. How to use: mix unsweetened cocoa powder with hot water or milk. Sweeten lightly with honey or stevia if needed. Avoid store-bought hot chocolate mixes, they're usually loaded with sugar. 4. Hibiscus tea. The gentle blood pressure helper. This bright red herbal tea has been used for centuries to support circulation. Studies show it helps lower blood pressure, which reduces strain on arteries. How to use: steep dried hibiscus petals or store-bought tea bags in hot water. Enjoy hot or iced with a squeeze of lemon. Segment 4. Lifestyle habits that supercharge circulation. No, you may be thinking, okay, I'll drink beet juice, maybe pomegranate juice too. But what else can I do to really clear my arteries? The truth is, drinks alone aren't magic. They work best when combined with healthy habits. Here are a few simple ones seniors can start right now. Walk every day. Even just 10 to 20 minutes of walking daily tells your body to build new blood vessels around blocked arteries. This is called collateral circulation. Think of it as creating natural bypasses inside your legs. Eat more fiber-soluble fiber found in oats, beans, apples, and flax seeds binds to cholesterol in your gut and pulls it out of the body before it ever reaches your arteries. Stay hydrated. Thick blood makes circulation harder. Seniors should aim for 6 to 8 cups of water per day unless their doctor has given fluid restrictions. Add lemon or cucumber slices for flavor. Avoid artery enemies: processed meats, bacon, sausage, deli slices, sugary sodas, and packaged juices. Trans fats from fried and packaged snacks. These foods trigger inflammation and undo the progress your natural drinks are making. Segment 5. Facts, common concerns from seniors. Let's answer a few questions I hear all the time from older adults. Q1. Can beet juice really replace my medication? No. Think of beet juice as a partner, not a substitute. Always continue your prescribed treatments unless your doctor says otherwise. Natural remedies are best seen as a supportive tool. Q2. What if I don't like the taste of beet juice? Great question. You can blend beets with carrots, apples, or even berries. Another option is beetroot powder, which you can stir into smoothies. Q3. How soon will I notice results? Some people feel warmer feet or better walking stamina in just 1 to 2 weeks. But for deeper artery health, consistency over months is key. Q4. Is coffee good or bad for circulation? In moderation, coffee isn't harmful, but too much caffeine can tighten arteries temporarily. If you drink coffee, keep it to 1 to 2 cups daily and avoid sugary cramers. So now it's your turn. Will you try beet juice this week? Or do you already drink one of these circulation-boosting teas? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences, and if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who may be struggling with leg pain, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural senior health tips. Your health matters, and together we can age stronger, healthier, and happier.